In the 1990s, NASA put Aerogel to the test in one of the most extreme environments in the solar system, the frozen landscape of Mars. On the red planet's surface, temperatures can plummet to -100 degrees Fahrenheit. Far too punishing for the sensitive equipment inside NASA's robotic probes. So NASA began encasing the electronics on Martian explorers in Aerogel. If this advanced insulator failed, it would be a multi-million-dollar disaster. But Aerogel delivered the goods. The Martian explorers beamed back stunning images and survived 3 frigid months. Don Young knows Aerogel is the best insulator ever invented. But there are big problems with applying the space-age material in an urban environment. Aerogel is expensive and very, very fragile.
The main problem with the laboratory aerogel that had been around for quite some time is its fragility. It is easy to crush.
One squeeze, and Aerogel explodes in a shower of dust.
It is easy to break and just very hard to imagine using it in any type of industrial setting.
Young's company spent 7 years making Aerogel tough enough to use in buildings. Their solution is simple but brilliant. The wet gel goes around a blanket of polyester fiber. This blanket provides a skeleton for the material, making it strong and surprisingly flexible. The finished product still has Aerogel's incredible insulating properties, at a fraction of the cost of the material sent to the red planet. This is dry ice at -109 degrees Fahrenheit, as cold as the surface of Mars.
When I put my hand on this ice, I suffer almost immediate frostbite. Insulate that with 3 millimeters of our Aerogel material. I can put my hand on this indefinitely for the day, if necessary.
If Aerogel can block the cold, it should be just as efficient at keeping heat in. Young's betting his right arm on that. 3 millimeters, or 1/8 of an inch of Aerogel blanket, stops a flame roaring at more than 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
We've been able to maintain all the magical properties, all the thermal properties that make the Aerogel so important. Now we're in the midst of introducing the material into the building and construction industry.
Young's Aerogel blanket is incredibly effective at insulating walls and roofs.